Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Darush Zain and welcome back to this channel once again. And it has been a while since I uploaded new videos, mainly because I had been busy with other things, and also I sometimes I lose interest in some of the things that I used to do. So this is like me starting over doing everything that I used to do. So this is me starting over doing YouTube videos. So for the past months, I think I have been doing some programming for a software or application that I use to uh, facilitate me myself as a student of a university. The application will provide the user with several buttons, and whenever the users click on the button, they can open a specific website, the university's website, so that they don't have to type in the URL of the website that they want to access. Rather than that, they just click on the button and the system will automatically open a browser into the desired website. The application or software can be downloaded in my GitHub. Later I will show you the how to download the application, and also I will show you how to add the application into the startup so that it can automatically open whenever we turn on our uh, device. So currently the application only work on the Windows OS, but for Linux, yeah, I'm not sure on how to make the app application into executable uh, standalone Python. But if you have Python on your Linux, you can use it just like the um, Windows one. So without further ado, we will jump right to uh, today's video. So enjoy. So here is the app, and here as you can see there are 4 buttons that correspond to the websites that belong to my university, which is Kalam, Ecom, OARC and UDAS. So whenever you click on one of these buttons, it will automatically open your default browser into the specific website. So here if I click on Kalam, it will open to Kalam website, and if I click on ecom button, it will open to e-community website, and so on, as we can see here. So today I'm going to show you how to install the application. So first head on to your desired browser and type this link, and I will provide the link in the description below, and click on the UMP link, and then go to the release and click on the first link. Here you can see there is a zip file, and download it. And once it is downloaded, you need to open the folder where it was downloaded and then unzip the file. After you're done extracting the zip file, open the file and then go to ump-link.exe and click the file to open the application. So now I am going to show you on how to add the application into startup, so that whenever you turn on your PC or laptop, the application will run automatically. So first, on the ump-link.exe, right click and choose send to and desktop shortcut, and then it will create a shortcut on the desktop. Here it is. And then click on Windows button with R and type shell startup, and it will open to the startup folder. Back again to the desktop, click on the application, the shortcut that we have made earlier, and right click and choose cut to move it from the desktop and paste it into the startup folder that we just opened. And then there it is on how to add the application to startup so that it can automatically run whenever we turn on our device. And if you are interested in the coding part, you can head on to my GitHub. And also, if you have any suggestions on what to upgrade the application to, you can put it in the comment down below. I think that is all from me for today's video, and I will be seeing you in my next video.